Welcome back, folks. Now, I don't know what's happening with the paper and the paint, whether it's a chemical reaction or not, but what's happening here is we've got mirror kind of glossed effects here and kind of matte effects here, right? So I'm going to try and address this issue by adding effects, right? Now, these were to be added anyway. So I'll show you what I'm doing here. I'm just spraying, I'm not spraying it over here, never spray over your work, right? So I'm moving over here and all I'm doing is spraying into the cap a wee bit of paint. Right. So I'm spraying white paint into the cap and this is all I'm doing. Putting a wee drop on the end of my finger and staying at the side of the painting, right? Not over the top of it, at the side, and just flicking with my finger, right? Not worrying about where it's going, just making sure I'm not over the painting, right? Because that's where drips happen, and drips sometimes they can look alright, but sometimes they come out with weird shapes and stuff. So you're better trying not to drip over your work, right? And again, just staying at the sides of the work and flicking the paint over the top of it, right? So that will be your stars, and I'll show you in another work soon. Not too soon, because I'm going to need to do a bit of research into why I'm getting the matte and gloss effect. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but we'll see how it shows up in the photograph. Now, see when you get the paint on your fingers, right? Now I've tried various things to get it off, but Turps is the best for it, right? Or white spirit. Use white spirit, put it on a cloth, then work your fingers or your hands into the cloth to clean them, right? Now, if I was coming from a lack mentality, I wouldn't share how to produce these works of art with you, but I seen them on YouTube and there's plenty of videos of other artists showing you how to do it. This is just my tutorial for my community, for kids that want to learn or adults that want to learn a new skill or sell. Because the thing is, see if you invest in a couple of props, right? You don't drink, you don't take drugs, you invest in something like this. If you produce a piece of art and you take a photograph of it, there's sites on the internet you can sell your works, right? And it's just a simple process. And I've added my Calendly link on my Facebook. If anybody out there wants to book a session, feel free. I'll give you up to 15 minutes free to talk about any aspect of anything I cover on my channel. I'll put a link in the bottom of my videos going forward. But this was part 4, and I'll come back and show you the magic in part 5 once it's dried. Okay, thanks, bye bye.